Alright, this is down around Willow Lake, the Willow Lake Business Center. Oh my God. I don't know how clear this is going to come out, but it don't look good. I'm driving through all this, trying to maneuver without having a wreck. Man, this place was hit pretty hard. Over here's the Coors plant. Well, it used to be the Coors plant. I really don't know what it is now. Turn this loudmouth down. Try to zoom in a little bit. Oh yeah. Man, this did some damage over here. I'm going to get turned around up here and go back through and try to get some pictures of the Sharp plant. It's the Hardy Bottling Company. Used to be the Coors plant. Before that, I think it was, I don't remember what it was. At one time it was Schlitz, I think. Not looking good, though. Get some pictures going back the other way. Hold this right up here on the steering wheel. See what we can see. A lot of traffic through here right now. I think it's mostly sightseers, much like myself. I don't know if you can see this building. Pretty well zoomed in all I can. This is the Sharp plant over here, Sharp Manufacturing Company. A lot of sightseers lined up here, I think. Alright, well that's the end of that. I doubt I'll be able to get any video of them all, but I will try.